This is a Harbor Freight Central Machinery powder coating system, and I just finished spraying the intake manifold red, and there's some cleanup I need to do, so let's get started. First we're going to take off the powder coat here. There's still some left in the container, so we'll definitely want to save that. I'm going to transfer this powder coat back into here, and actually the two bottles that you get, you buy it from Harbor Freight in a bottle like this, which is actually slightly different than the bottle that fits in the powder coating gun, so you can't buy one of the powder coating paint containers and then put it right on your gun. The threads don't match actually, so you have to transfer it into one of the containers that comes with the gun. Tap it to get the last bits out, and we'll seal this back up. And now we can cap this for another day. The gun is actually very easy to clean. We're just going to blow it off with some compressed air. You probably want to either wear a mask or hold your breath when you're doing this because it's very fine and you don't want to breathe it. And make sure you get this little hole here. So whenever you're changing colors, make sure you clean out all the old stuff, and then whenever you put the new colors in, you don't have to worry about it tinting that color or ruining it. And all this stuff is totally biodegradable, it'll just wash away. This is one of the bottles that comes with the gun. It's kind of a shame that the ones that you buy don't fit it, but you just have to clean this out every time as well.